Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Megalook, and I'm going to be showcasing this short curly bob wig. Now this one is in the length 12 inches. This unit also has your two combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and you also have that elastic band for extra security. Go off of camera and wash my unit. I also lightly bleached the knots just because I feel like the knots were a little bit dark even though they are small. And you'll also see that I did add a little bit of tint spray to the very front of the hairline area because this lace is coming off very light and I wanted to match more to my skin tone. Fit on this unit is okay to me. You guys know I have a small head, so most of the room was in the nape area. Now this unit does also come with a pre-pluck hairline. I went in and plucked a little bit off, and I plucked a little bit too much in that one spot that I was pointing to, but that's okay because you guys know I'm gonna make sure it looks good. I'm also gonna have to go on the side and cut down some of that excess lace. I'm being very careful because that lace is attached to where the adjustable strap is, and I don't want to cut into that. Of course, you can rock this unit glueless. I'm going to be going in with some light adhesive. So I'm going to be using this olive oil fix it whole spray. I'm going to spray that on my skin and then place the lace on top. I'm going to use the end of my rat tail comb just to kind of press everything in and just go around and fix some of those areas where I feel like I needed more spray. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer to speed up the process. Now, when it comes to the sides, I am not going to use any adhesive. I'm going to pull out a little bit of hair and then I'm going to use my bobby pin to tuck that lace. And this just gives it a more natural look. You have a pixie cut and the way that my hair is cut, I do not want to mess up my sideburn area. So this just makes it look a little bit more natural without me having to spray any adhesive on. Now I do want to show you guys this parting space. So this one does have a good amount of parting. This is a 13x4 frontal. So if you wanted to part this on the side, you're still going to get a really good amount of parting. You're not going to have to really worry about running into those tracks as soon as you try to do a deep part. Like, you're good to go. About you, but as for me, I be having to really focus if I am rocking a middle part because I need that part to be on point. Now I'm gonna go around the front of this hairline and I'm gonna be using this Cream of Nature mousse, and this is also gonna help the lace lay down. And then I'm also gonna put some of that mousse at the top of this unit because I don't want it to come off too shiny, so I don't want to have to go in with too much of my wax. Also helps it to lay down a bit better. So all of the products that I'm using in today's video can be found down in the description area in my Amazon storefront. Drawing that side down, I did notice some excess lace that needed to be cut off, so just a quick little snip. And then I'm going to place this elastic band around the front of the hairline so everything can melt in even more while I work on defining the curls on this unit. Go through my curly units with a wide tooth comb before adding my products, just making sure that there are no snags. And then I'm going to spray this baby down. This hair is very thick. This is 180% in density, and you can really feel the density of this. I want to make sure that I am coating this really well. And then the product that I'm going to use on this hair is going to be the Garnier Fructis Air Curl Cream because I want something really nice and fluffy. It's not going to weigh the hair down, especially because it is a heavy density. Diffuse the rest of this off of camera. I got it to about 90% diffuse, and then I'm gonna just do a little light beat, and your girl not going nowhere. Okay, it's 105 degrees outside, so this is me being cute for the house. Okay, I'm being real cute for the house. I went ahead and took the elastic band off, and then I had to fix up the sides, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of powder into the parting space area so that it could blend in a bit better. And then I'm gonna go on the side and add a little bit of powder also, because I could have went in with two coats of my tint spray, but I was scared it's gonna be too dark. And then you can see me adding the hot comb to the top just to kind of press everything out more. I'll be using a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum to fluff up these curls. And like I said, because this is a heavy density, I don't want to fluff it up too much, but just enough for you guys to see that it can get really big. And I am noticing at the ends there were some longer pieces, so I'm gonna make sure to trim those pieces off. I did feel like the front just needed like a little bit of a swoop, but not an obvious swoop to where I was going to have to go in and trim some of the hairs down. So I just took a little bit of my mousse and I'm just lightly swooping it over, and I feel like it made it look a bit better. So this is the final look, y'all. This whole look right here, the robe, the makeup, it's giving glam. Isn't it? It's giving glam. Now, I love the length on this unit, but if you want a little bit shorter, they do offer this in 10 inches. Now, once you get past the 12 inch, it just goes into 16, 20, and 26, but that's just some long hair, don't care. They also offer this in a 5x5. I do wish that the lace was a little bit more tinted, but nothing that some tint spray couldn't fix. So as far as shedding and tangling goes, not too much shedding. And in tangles, I expect this to have some snags going on in the nape area. Now, if this is just too heavy for you in the front of your face, you can always tuck this and you still give it a little cute look. But let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you are feeling this one, I'm going to make sure to leave the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.